Hey guys, got a call from Rhonda. She got a call from a lady who has a honeybee swarm. It's the first swarm of the season that I've been on. It's a fairly small swarm, but it's up on a branch that would take a chainsaw. And we certainly don't want to tear this lady's peach tree up. So we're going to leave the nuke box, we're going to spray some Swarm Commander in there, and we're going to hope that the bees go into it. But come over to the nuke box. We've got a nuke box right here, and as you can see, the box has been used before, and the bees are already swarming that, checking it out. So I think we have a very, very good chance of getting that swarm in this box. So, ooh, let me spray this. I'll give it a squirt. Put it in there. I'm going to put the lid on. They're getting a bit more aggressive because they have found their new home, I think.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go inside.
Yeah. Okay, back up.
So you leave
I was
the lid
talking
off?
to the bees. No, I'm going to put the lid back on it.
No, I know. I'm agreeing with you.
Yeah.
Though. I'm saying, okay, I'm gonna back up.
Yeah, that's fine. So.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So the box was sitting pretty well level. I'm going to put a little bit of a rock. I'll suit up though.
What do you want to put
Under
rock?
that. Under the back end of it. But see, the back end, we've got it taped, but the front's open.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside.
And you can see how they're all swarming that.
Yeah, I think it's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know much about bees, but I know I wanted to help save them.
Oh, I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, they're going in there.
Yeah, they are.
Just,
That is really cool.
yeah.
That is really cool.
It comes out right where the tree line starts. It comes.
They're actually landing on a couple of different places.
No, it looks flat. I live on a hill, so that's why I'm thinking it's kind of flat where it comes out, the way it looked on the map.
And guys, I'm in here without a bee suit, which I never would have thought I would have done.
Yeah. Well, I can see it from my house, so it may be that hill. The house is in Tennessee. You go from here to the fence,
Yep.
down the driveway, and I hit the line. And then my fields, the fields I've got, and the barn
Yeah.
in Virginia.
And then I know he owns, this fence line that way. He owns a little bit back here.
You see where a fence line goes across the tree line right there in the middle of the field?
That's where he
That's
owns
my
up
property.
to. Oh, okay.
It comes out like then it goes around.
Oh, okay. Well, he owns up to this first tree line that you see. Going through the field.
So it's one of those two fields that I back up to.
Yeah. I think you back up to that far tree line.
Where the barn is. The other side of the
They like this box.
Yeah.
I haven't been able to get my four-wheeler up there
Yeah.
yet.
They're
There used
swarming all
We gotta
around the
put this
box.
up.
Going,
Yeah. Most people get lost at the end of the dirt road there,
Well,
where the dirt road meets
we
the...
weren't sure. No.
Have you seen the queen?
No, I can't.
Yeah,
I greatly
just let me know.
appreciate you calling instead of just coming out here and killing them. I mean, a lot of people would. And,
I wouldn't have even known how to start.
yeah.
But thank you so much. I appreciate
All right,
it.
thank you. See, a few minutes ago, Bob, there was more on down this way. I'm thinking that branch is rotten, and part of them are down inside that branch.
That could be.
I mean, there could be a whole colony in there watching their wings. Yeah, they're not liking us over here. Out of the box. Yeah, they're definitely going in and out, checking it out. So fingers crossed that this is going to be a successful catch. Yeah.
Get all up in it in person. Just want to see what I can see for a second.
Where do you want me? Holding the stool or?
I think I'll be okay with it. Just needed the height really.
Okay. I got my foot on the back of it.
I don't think there's that many. You want him? Oh, you got the bag ready? Okay.
Yeah. Where do you want me to stand? Do you want me to come and stand on that side of the tree by your right hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, there's not, there's just a handful here. I don't know if it's even worth.
Right. Well, for her peace of mind, whether it works or not.
I mean, I'm seeing at the most 25, 30 bees. But there's none up here. There's not any. But there's no queen here. You just see the bag for a second. I hate this helmet.
You got some ticked off bees.
Just a couple of them even made it in there. Like literally there wasn't 20 bees. Probably 20, 25 bees at the most. They could still be moving. If you don't have, there's no queen. See what I'm saying? There's not even 20 bees in there.
I figured they'd want to be in there the way they.
Is anybody trying to make efforts to go into that?
They're flying all around it, landing on it. Maybe because I'm standing here, I don't know.
Sorry, people. They don't like it here. Not letting them land here.
Can you feel and see if there's a depression in that?
I didn't see it when I looked, but I don't see anything. But there's nothing there that made me think they were in it. Like, I
Okay.
think they're just trying to make it be where they're going.
Okay.
They probably know it's rotten. What do you bet? Neither?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ain't neither that I answered too quickly.
Do that. Maybe spray a little bit of that down there. Your stain
Okay.
spray. You can turn that off. Nothing's happening.
That didn't work. Like it was dead. This is not doing well. Okay, we have a few bees that are moving around on top and a few that are flying around down inside the net. There's not many at all in here. We may have 100 to 200 bees if we're lucky. My friend is going to take the bees to her house. She's an experienced beekeeper. And she's going to try to save the hive. We'll keep you updated. Hey guys. We went back the next day and got the swarm trap. Took it to my friend Rhonda's house because she has several colonies of bees, and set it down. She has some sugar water and a feeder, and we were hoping that we would get to be able to feed the bees and that they would be happy and stay. Rhonda went out the next morning, checked the bees. There were no bees in it. So the ones we got decided they did not like that nuke. They did not want to be moved, so they flew away. But at least I had my first experience with a swarm. Unfortunately, it didn't work out for me, but I gained valuable experience. I learned a lot, and I'm hoping that the next time it'll go differently. Thanks for watching. You guys, hang around with us. We got lots of adventures going on this spring, and we'll see you on the next video.